Do you think gender influences how much you watch sports? How about your relationship status? Using two hypotheses, our research set out to answer these questions. Hypothesis 1 stated that women who are in a relationship are more likely to watch sports. Our second hypothesis stated that people are more likely to watch sports played by athletes of their own gender.
We collected our data for this project from the Oval. We asked 30 students to fill out a small survey answering questions. The questions were 1. Do you watch sports? 2. Do you prefer to watch men's sports or women's sports? 3. Are you in a committed relationship? Our independent variable for hypothesis 1 is if they are in a relationship or not. The dependent variable is if they watch sports. For hypothesis 2, the independent variable is what gender they are, and the dependent variable is which gender sport they watch.
According to a study conducted by Tang and Cooper during the 2008 Beijing Olympic Games, men only watched about 15 minutes more than women. We found that 87% of men watch sports and 71% of women watch sports. From our results and Tang and Cooper's statistics, men and women are both more likely to watch sports than not watch sports. Our conclusions for hypothesis 1, which stated women who are in a relationship are more likely to watch sports, oppose our original prediction. 8 of the 14 women who were surveyed were in a relationship and 6 were not in a relationship. According to this graph, women who watch sports are equally as likely to be in a relationship or not in a relationship. However, women who do not watch sports are more likely to be in a relationship, which does not agree with hypothesis 1. For hypothesis 2, which stated people are more likely to watch sports played by athletes of their own gender, our results indicate women are not more likely to watch women's sports. However, men are more likely to watch men's sports. In a paper by Farrell and Fink, women are more likely to watch men's sports because men in their lives watch men's sports nearly exclusively, which is displayed by our survey results. Interestingly, in an article by Whiteside and Harden, the WNBA, Women's National Basketball Association, tried to target women to get them to view women's sports more often, but has failed, as the NBA, played by men, is still more popular. One explanation for the preference of men's sports could be what is suggested in an article by Du Bois and Bruno, that men's sports are just faster, more athletic, and therefore more interesting. The same idea was presented in an article by Angelini. Both men and women are attracted to men's sports because they are, by nature, more entertaining.